Hello, my beautiful souls. It's great to have you back on our channel, Rise in Soul. Today's video will be an empowering journey of self-discovery. We'll delve into the deep concept of treating your body as a sacred temple and your soul as your guiding light. Let's start by creating a serene and comfortable space as we explore these uplifting affirmations. As I gaze upon my body, I see a temple of strength and vitality. I embrace its uniqueness and cherish the gift of good health. My body is the vessel that carries my soul, and I honor it with love and care. Within the depths of my being, my soul shines brightly like a guiding star. It is the essence of who I am, the source of my inner wisdom, and the wellspring of love and compassion. I nurture my soul with mindfulness and self-reflection. I choose to nourish my body with wholesome foods, exercise, and rest. This sacred temple deserves the best, and I listen to its needs with respect and kindness. By taking care of my body, I honor the divine within me. My soul thrives when I extend kindness to others, for in doing so, I connect with the divinity that resides within us all. Through acts of love, I strengthen the bond between my soul and the universe. Through meditation and self-reflection, I deepen my connection to my soul. I listen to its whispers, for it holds the answers to life's deepest questions. My soul is my guiding force, and I trust its wisdom. As we conclude this journey, remember that your body is a temple, and your soul is your guiding light. Embrace this positive affirmation, and you will find strength, balance, and inner peace. May your life be a harmonious dance between the physical and the spiritual, where your body thrives and your soul shines brightly. Thank you, my beautiful souls, for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, take care, keep smiling, and continue shining.